Not Mihlali Ndamase trending again for dating a married man allegedly. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But Mkosi, I am sure most of us, we really believed that Mihlali Ndamase has changed because baby girl was no longer trending that much. I guess Sana recently, she released a statement and it reads as follows. I am issuing this statement as a matter of safety and self-preservation. I am deeply concerned for my life and for the well-being of my family. Should anything happen to me, it is important that the truth is known. For several months, I have been subjected to ongoing harassment, threat, and intimidation by a man named Michael Priest, also known as Mike. After I rejected his advances, his behavior escalated into something obsessive and frightening. I have personally witnessed him following me. He has appeared at my place of work without a reason and showed up in places where I am parked and seated as though monitoring my movements. My privacy has been repeatedly violated. Members of my family have been approached in public and people have been paid to follow me and take photographs of me without my consent. At the same time, false and demanding stories about my life have been circulating through blogs and online platforms. Some media publications repeated these allegations without verification. This has caused significant reputational harm and has further endangered my safety by presenting fiction as fact. I am currently engaging with law enforcement and taking the necessary legal steps to protect myself. I am speaking publicly not for attention and not for sympathy, but because silence has become unsafe. It is important that it is known that these concerns have been raised and that this behavior has been ongoing. As a person with influence and understands scrutiny, influence, however, does not equal consent. A woman does not owe any access to her life, her body, and her time because she was pursued. Rejection is not provocation. Silence has cost me my peace. Speaking now is an act of self preservation. We need to come to a point where men understand that courting a woman does not entitle them to you or your body. No means no. But Andy Bomkosi, we provided evidence from the alleged close people to these two. It shows that Mihlali Ndamase and the alleged perpetrator, Mike, they have been in communication for quite some time. And it looks like the two have met. And it is also alleged that Mihlali has been receiving gifts from Mike. But Kosi, I want you to understand that Mike is currently married and he's having two beautiful baby boys. I really don't understand what made him to go this far. It is also stated, or rather alleged, that Mike is demanding 75,000 from Mihlali after she failed on their agreement that they agreed upon of her meeting him and having sexual relations together. Allegedly, but she's supposed to pay 75,000. There are screenshots that are circulating the internet showing Mike paying Mihlali an alleged amount of 300,000 rands for her and Mike to have an alleged hookup. Sana 300,000, and also Mihlali is requesting Mike to sign an NDA. Hayibo kanti siphila emhlabeni onjani? What kind of a South Africa are we living in? Batsana bomkosi. And this is what Twip had to say. When a man is willing to destroy his own name, career, standing just to indulge a private craving, the scandal is no longer the woman. It is the depth of the obsession that is not romance. That is reckless, a Tweep said. He said the quiet part out loud. Men with money, but not discipline, distort. Everything, marriage, dating, even self respect, another one added. lost respect for Mihlali. She thought she was being smart when she issued that statement and forget the WhatsApp screenshot conversations. I have been saying, and I will keep saying it. Simps and weak men are becoming the biggest threat to the moral and values that guide our society. These men are biggest enablers of women's awful behaviors and rapid increase in women's egos and delusion. It's becoming terribly and appealing, another one stated. You Basarbomkosi Aisham Guningi Impela, who would have thought that this was going to occur? While others are not surprised because Mihlale is allegedly well known for messing around with married men. But I guess Sisi, the demand is out there. She needs to pay this man his 75 grand. Basarbomkosi, I wonder iyohlangana njani. But the fact that this man paid Mihlali 300,000 rands, Aishem, it is quite shocking in ngempela kanti thina siphila kumuphi umhlaba hayibo. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.